Hello, dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. My name is Rakesh. I'm your host here. Kindly do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy Bank. I'm not their employee. I'm an independent analyst of price action, and you can say that I'm trading with Dukascopy from a long time. So they are allowing me to use your YouTube platform in order to showcase my analysis. Now, what I do here every day, I try to share my levels with all my viewers who watch it online or otherwise they check it afterwards when the video is published. And I try to stick to the charts only. I do not see any um, fundamental thing in my webinar, and we try to stick to the technicals and the charts only. Now that technicals also, we are only using volumes and only price. Okay, so volumes also I'm using rarely, mostly I'm using price. Now I am willing to share with my viewers who are new here that we'll be not discussing anything that is fundamental in nature or any news events and everything. We will not be discussing. Our focus is only on the charts, and on the charts also we'll try to focus on the key levels from where the price is expected most to reverse. Okay, and if it doesn't reverse from there and if it continues, then it will be uh, expected to take support, or maybe support turns into resistance and resistance turns into supports, like that. So as a technical analyst, we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so you don't have to worry about any news or event. Okay, now I will be taking the questions from the viewers, so I encourage you to ask more and more questions in the chat box that is provided. We are live here, so please ask your questions. If you have any doubt on whatsoever I am talking about, please leave a question and I will try to answer. Or if you want to participate in the discussion, you are most welcome to do so also. Now before I start the charts, I should actually also tell you that this is not a trading advice. Right now I may be saying sometimes buy here, sell here. This is not a trading advice for real accounts. You want to demo it, you can, you are free to do so, but do not trade real money based on whatever I am saying here. You can use this education or knowledge or say entertainment if you want to do so. Okay, do not take it as a trading advice. Now before we begin, I should also show you the standard risk disclaimer. Please understand there is a risk associated when you are trading on the margin, and as such the forex is traded on the margin money. So please understand the risk that is associated with this, and then only move to the charts. All right, on your screens now, the first thing is the dollar index. You can see here it is written on the left side of the screen, dollar index versus US dollar. This is 1-day chart, candlestick, bid chart. Okay, and right now it is trading at 104.90. Now after this reversal from here, we are expecting a lower high to be formed. This is the potential high for the lower high. Now this high will not be established till the time the price doesn't break this low. Now when the price makes a swing like this, then between this low and this low, what is the highest high? That becomes our lower high. Okay, right now this is not the high, because there is a possibility that the price will go here and then it makes a low. Now if between this low and this low, what is the highest high? This will be the highest high. If that is the highest high, then this becomes your what? Lower high, right? So this is the potential, because if the price breaks through this low of 104.38, then this will become your lower high. In any case, anyways, now 105.60 seems like there is a resistance. We can see there is a swing formation here, and the support may be seen around 103.62. Now that is also my target on this one. I think we have discussed this last week also, that at 61 8% fib, we are expecting a down move to initiate again, and that should break this 104.38. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now it looks like this daily candle is what you call it, engulfing the previous two candles, although this is of Sunday, and this is, anyways, I think this is Monday. Yes, this is Monday and this is Tuesday, so it is engulfing the previous day's price action. Went higher, now trying to close lower. So yes, there is a possibility of the price going deeper towards 104.40 and maybe 103.62 also. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now the bias on the US dollar is bearish. So if the bias on the US dollar is bearish, then the bias on the pound dollar is bullish. And this happened when this price closed higher from this channel, and we expected the price to move higher. Now today there is a bullish engulfing. Now what is the bullish engulfing on the daily time frame? It means that the price first went lower than the yesterday's low, then it went higher than the yesterday's high and closed higher. So this is an engulfing. That means all the sellers run right now, you can understand it like this, that they are now rightly out of the market, and the buyers are pushing the prices above these highs to maybe about 1.2634 to be seen as the first target, and later on maybe 1.2709 as the second target. All right, so this is on your chart and you should keep it for the entire week. This week we may test 1.2709. Euro dollar on the similar lines. Finally yesterday a breakout from the falling channel, also today a breakout from 1.0812. This is a suggestion, this is an indication that the euro is bullish and is trying to cross every other hurdle that is coming on its way. But the main hurdle is sitting at 1.0885, which is the weekly resistance. Now if the price reaches here, I think we are expecting the price to reach here this week. So let's see how the things unfold in this one also. The support for the price going down will be 1.07239, which is now a valid higher low, because see, the price has made a higher high than this one. So this becomes your valid higher low. So we are expecting higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, up to an extent of 1.0885. So support is 1.0723 now. Australian dollar right now is trading at 0.66199 or 0.6620 area. The potential resistance is around 0.6644 mark. It is not very far. It can take it today, even maybe tomorrow. The range of the Australian dollar has decreased significantly. Now that is suggesting to me that there is a potential explosive move sooner or later in the Australian dollar. This is what I am thinking of. So if the price breaks to the upside, it can go all the way to 0.6668. Right now the resistance is at 0.6644. The support is at around 0.6580. Well, this is the 38.2% level, although the horizontal level of support from the price action point of view, if you ask me, then it is very deep, 0.6465. Well, New Zealand dollar bullish engulfing above the resistance zone of 0.6015. Now this is again suggesting me that the price is going to 0.6083 in the coming time. Now this is a daily candle, guys. If it closes anywhere above this current price of 0.6035, it will open up the way for 0.6083. Remember that. Support in this case also is around 0.5981. USD yes, we are expecting a sell-off. We have missed first chance. If this you can grab, this is your second chance. The first target is 0.9005 on this market, and the second chance is 0.8838. That is the second target. This is very deep. So if you are getting on board here, your resistance is not very far. Around 0.9114 is the area where you should find resistance. If not this, then 0.9140 is a must hold. If it doesn't hold, then the price can go from top. But if yes, if this red zone here 0.618% to 38.2%, this is the zone where you should be looking for the selling opportunities to go down towards 0.8838. USD CAD, okay, slowly tapping the downside, may break anytime soon. I want that break. When that break happens and the retest, I'll be looking for the selling opportunity in this one also, like this. Now if that happens, then this will be my selling opportunity here, because this is the confluence of one resistance, two resistance, three resistance. So I'll be very happy to sell short here, and that is what I'm expecting. Okay, right now I'm not doing anything in this market. USD JPY, the price is trying to reverse between 61.8 to 50%. Not reversing, I will say, but is trying to reverse. What is the potential resistance area? 157.01. What is the potential support area? Well, support area is 153.58, which was the previous low, and that has been broken. So actually you should remove it. Okay, the potential support now is 151.97. It is very, very deep. From here, the US JPY has a long way to go down. Now you might be thinking, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days continuous bull run, and Rakesh is saying that this has a potential to go down. Yes, yes, this has a lot of potential to go down. If you don't believe me, record this portion of the video and come back next week and see where is the price. Okay, so let's see, go the resistance, I think 157.01 area and above a bit is the resistance, and the support you can expect near 151.97, and I think in this week or maybe next you will see 151.97. New Zealand CAD, the price broke higher than 0.8248, and it is established it has established a bullish what you call it, bias. So yes, the price will be going higher. Any short-term low should, oh well, we can see something here. Can you see that? Who knows ICT? There is a fair value gap. Any drop into this fair value gap should be seen as a buying opportunity with the targets higher. Now there's again a fair value gap, but guys, do you trade the fair value gaps? Just asking. A few days back I have come across these fair value gaps, and I like this concept. So that's why the price is going to and fro, because there's a fair value gap above and a fair value gap below. Anyways, and this was a daily fair value gap, so it holds some meaning, guys. But anyways, from the bias point of view, I'm expecting higher prices. 0.8346 will be my target on the upside. Bitcoin consolidating, trying to go down. 56,564 is the support. The resistance is 67,287. Brent lower prices were expected, and they are coming. Now the first level of support for me is 81.11. Any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. Yesterday's rise was seen as a selling opportunity though, and I think it is working. Gold also, I said don't sell or buy this. The buying opportunity is what we are looking for, but we need this channel to break to the upside for us to become buyers. So I'm just saying that the gold is consolidating and the Brent is moving, Bitcoin is consolidating, New Zealand CAD is consolidating, USD JPY is consolidating, everything is consolidating. What is moving? USD CHF is on the move. I think right now it will be moving. So everything is almost consolidating, so that means fresh moves are on the way. Okay, Nikkei has first broken out, then broken down, now is again trying to go up. A lot of confusion here and there. You can say that this is also consolidating before our next leg up or down. We are not sure yet. From here it looks like that it has taken support here and is trying to go up, but if it starts going up, 39,956 will be the first resistance, and in case it starts going down, then 37,736 should provide some support to the price here. Euro JPY, no sell off whatsoever. The price is continuously rising. 169.31 has come, but I am expecting these levels, actually 169.34 or 35, these areas I am expecting to act as a resistance. The price is right now standing at that point where I am expecting it to act as a resistance. Now why? Because this is the open of that candle, this is the close of that candle, this is the close. So this area has been of much interest in the past. You see this area, this is the area I'm talking about, 169.37 to 169.36 area. So that's why I'm saying that there is a possibility that the price will halt here for today before moving up or down further tomorrow. The bias looks bullish here, because the price has straight away gone through the 62%, is going towards 68%. But yes, if tomorrow you see a bearish engulfing or something, don't be surprised. Okay, sellers like to sell above 62%. GBP AUD. Okay, the bias can be seen as turned into bullish now because the price has seen a higher high than the previous high, and also there was a low. So yes, bias can be seen as a bullish bias. On the 4 hour, you can check what is happening in the price. So the price was going lower, it made a reaction high here, the price made another low, and then started making higher highs and higher lows. Right now, in the last 4 hours, it has breached this previous high. So that means any high, any low in this should be seen as a buying opportunity, or I will say from here to here, if you draw 62% retracement, should be seen as a buying opportunity. Just if you want to be speculative and want to have high targets around 1.9116 and 1.9313 in this market. CHF also, we are expecting a sell-off from here, although the sell-off has not started yet, but I'm expecting it to happen anytime soon. Maybe even today we can see the lower prices in 172.60 is where it is traveling right now. If I switch to 1 minute just for the sake of knowledge, at least on the 1 minute time frame, it is trying to reverse. You can see here the price is not able to manage above that level. And if I go on the 15 minutes, just for the sake of discovery of what the price is doing there intraday, although I'm talking about the daily charts. So from here you can see there is a symmetrical triangle formation here. There's an indecision between buyers and sellers. The bias is bullish, but I'm expecting a down move in this very soon. CHF I'm bearish on this one, guys. All right, so let's see how the things unfold in this one also. Right now I'm not trading this market. Or in New Zealand, in the fair value gap, we pushed in, the sellers came in and pushed the prices down. Now it has even seen the lower prices than the opening of yesterday. So I'm expecting a down move, or you can say at least 1.0931 is possible in this market. And if that comes, then it will start moving lower highs and lower lows, and that can push towards 1.0857 also. But yes, from the resistance point of view, this yesterday's high should be seen as a resistance, and you see how this nice swing is forming on the 3 daily candles. So this is an indication that the next leg is going to go down towards 1.0931. So let's see how the things unfold tomorrow, but keep a note of this, that this is a swing high if the price breaks lower. Let's see. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer those questions. And if not, then let's wrap up this session. All right, I hope that you know about the support and the resistance level that will be of interest in the coming hours and in the coming days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching.